Hello everyone, today we'll introduce the operation process of the 360 digital printing socks. First, we'll use protective paper. This is a brown protective paper, and we'll attach it to one side with double-sided tape. You can prepare many protective papers and attach double-sided tape so that you can use them as needed during mass production. The protective paper is 30 by 60 centimeters in size, suitable for our 80 mm diameter * 650 mm length printing roller. Now we'll wrap the protective paper with double-sided tape around the entire area, sticking it to the side closest to the paper so it won't stick to the printing roller. It shouldn't be too loose or too tight. Then, we'll wrap 2 strips of paper tape around the edge. This way, we can easily pull the sock out after printing. The purpose of the protective paper is twofold: to prevent ink from staining the printing roller and to make pulling out the printed sock smoother, as the paper reduces friction between the sock and the roller diameter. This machine has 4 printing rollers, so each of the 4 rollers needs to be covered with our protective paper. The frequency of replacing the protective paper depends on the design you're printing. If your design is light-colored, you can print 10 to 20 socks without much trouble and don't need to replace it frequently. However, if it's a dark design, you might need to replace the paper after printing 2 to 3 socks. The specific frequency depends on the situation. Okay, now we'll show you the process of moving a design from the printing software to the print job. Drag the image you want to print into this printing software, which is RIP software, a software called PhotoPrint. After confirming the size is okay, click Send, and it will save the image in PRT format. This way, our printing software can recognize the PRT format. This is Hanson's printing software, also called PrintEXP. Find the image you want to print in the File menu, then double-click the print job to enter the number of copies you need. Then click Wait for print, and the printer will print continuously. The step of putting on the socks: align the back center of the print head and put the sock on. The sock must be aligned with the laser line, paying close attention to the edge, especially the heel. This ensures the printed pattern won't bleed out. The heel area must be smoothed out to prevent any protrusions from scratching the print head and damaging it. Once the sock is printed, gently pull it out along with the paper. Avoid any bounce; a smooth, gentle pull will prevent ink from staining the sock. Then hang it on a rack. The protective paper can be reused. Each time you put on the sock, align it with the center line and begin putting it on. You can put the sock on first, then press the print trigger button to start printing. The print roller is in a standby state, so let it print. Printing takes about 15 seconds. During this time, you can align and smooth the sock you're preparing. This preparation time is sufficient. The 4 rollers rotate continuously, ensuring that the rotating printing shaft removes the sock, hangs it on the rack, and then a new sock is put on. Once the printing end is in place, press the print trigger button. This allows for continuous operation. This is our UniPrint UP 650 Max 4-roller sock printer. It can operate in automatic or manual mode. The video shows manual printing. Once ready, press the trigger button to start printing. This operation is very suitable for beginners. Later, as employees become more familiar and efficient, they can switch to automatic mode. After printing, the socks are usually hung on racks for heating process in same time, saving power and energy in the heating oven. This is our small drying oven. Hang the socks on the hooks under this chain. After rotating them in, they rotate out after 4 minutes. These are the color-fixed socks, already finished products. Next, they just need packaging before shipping. Okay, thanks for watching. Feel free to contact us any questions about socks printing or equipment solutions.